So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today a short video of what my day looks like. Today I came here to get my car washed. As you can see out there, it's getting ready. Now I came to this place called Nandi, Sri Nandi Enterprise. So quite a nice place to get your car washed. This is my first time here. Let's see how it goes. So this is what my car looks like now. It's very dirty. Probably when you get close, as you can see, full of dust. As you can see, all the dust coming out from the car, from the inside of the car. You know, this is a very good thing to do. Very nice. It's like a therapy, you know, when you get to see the car being clean. I guess only boys can understand that. So now it's getting vacuumed from the inside. So once the inside gets done, they will start from the outside. If you want to get your cars clean, you can definitely, you know, come to this place. It's in Singasandra, Sri Nandi Enterprises. So guys, now they are using the water sprayer to get rid of any hard dust or debris. And you know, the car is already started to look very clean. It's not a sponsored video guys, but I'm really liking the service. Glad there's a usual place where I usually go. There's a common place near my house where I usually go to clean, but out there it was rushed today, so thought of coming here, tried it out, and I'm really glad. So you know, you should explore sometime. That is what I will say. And this place is not too far from my house, so glad that I came to this place. The service is really nice. So guys, this is how the inside of the car gets clean. They are making sure all the dirts are out. Now they are using the foam. So that you get that you know, nice shine. So guys, as you can see, the car is covered with foam, and they will clean it nicely now using a cloth, so that you get the extra shine after, you know, everything is done. So pretty good. So using this hydraulic, they lift up the car, and you know, now it's getting lowered. Quite an invention. So guys, it's getting nice and clean. The tire looks quite shiny now. This is how it looks like now. It's the car is washed properly and looks very clean. So guys, this is how the car looks like after everything is done. Look at all the dirt is gone completely. Very clean. Thanks to my brother here. You know, they have done it, the work very perfectly. This is how the inside looks like now. Very clean. They have added some polish to the wheels so that it looks premium, as you can see. So guys, everything is done. They even gave this kind of a thank you sheet where you can get their details. Here's it. And just look at this guys. Looks so clean inside out. So much satisfied guys. Just look at this. They've done the work really professionally. Everything is so clean and so fresh. They even made sure, you know, to spray inside this AC vents so that, you know, it give a refreshing aroma. And all these things they have just charged 500 rupees. Just 500, guys. Correct. And if you do the underbelly as well, if you want everything clean from the inside as well, they will charge only 600 rupees. So really satisfied with the service. Thumbs up to everything they do. Nice, very nice. So now let's go home. So guys, everything is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. God bless. Bye bye. So he made out here. Let me see it.